Alright, guess I'm gonna throw a bike check out. Got some new parts. Alright, front rim is the Alienation Black Sheep, and with Shadow Conspiracy spokes, Shadow Conspiracy hub. I forget which one it was. It was a Raptor, not for sure. Just got these, the nitrous afterburner forks, flat black. They're pretty nice. Haven't really rode yet. My grips are messed up right now. But, the stem is Hoffman bike stem. Handlebars, Sunday Vini bars. There's Vini. And Hoffman logo grips in purple with ODI bar ends. The frame is a Hoffman Cirrus EL. I painted it green. Not too bad. Got a few scratches in it already. Pedals, McNeil pedals with stolen mob cranks. Shadow Conspiracy crank and bones crank. Just a KMC chain. Sputnik broke on me. Hoffman circular repeater logo seat. Came with the bike. Hoffman seat post. Back tire. The Animal ASM. It's a little wore out, but it does its job. Back tire, another Alienation Black Sheep rim in black with a Mission React hub. I don't know if you can see it. Stupid autofocus. And just regular Hoffman pegs came with the bike. That's it. Pretty nice. Budget build, I guess you could say. Sub